already.
Okay, we came down to feed the catfish, which we are still going to do so. But if you watched the last video, we had an appearance of a banana spider. And from what that I heard on Deep South homesteading, is that if you have a banana spider, that means that you have a healthy ecosystem. We sit here in one spot, and I don't know if I can get them all on camera, and we counted
Big and way over there.
8. Nope, now 9. There's
No,
one.
8.
That makes 8?
Yeah.
So I can't get them all on camera, but there's one there. 2, 3, 4. A big one there, 5. Big one here, 6. Let me get her on the other side of this. 7 down there low. And 8 right here. Thought you might be interested in that. So I'm just glad to know that our hard work to keep everything healthy is paying off. So now let's get to feeding these catfish. They are hungry. I was going to try to turn the camera around for this video. The next time around, I got so excited about the banana spiders, the zipper spiders, the writing spiders. They have all kinds of names that I forgot. Sorry. There you go, cats. Get her. Sun's out, so you should be able to see them really good, really well. You're gonna hear me digging into the food. There's some pretty good sized ones in there. Comment below what your favorite fish is to eat, or at least fish for. If you like to fish, do you have a stocked pond? Do you have any banana spiders on your property? Is that what you call them? Do you call them something else? Comment below and let us know. We're interested to hear what other people call them. We got Grizzly running around behind us. There's Johnny. And what's funny is I stuck my hand in one of them. Well, I went to grab the mustard plant and stuck my fingers into the spiderweb. Turned loose of it pretty quick. A big little appetite, aren't they? Grizzly's running behind us like a little dummy. Yeah, you got too hot.
That one, or these 2, that's a big thing on banana spider there.
Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now I will tell you, I do not like spiders in the fact that if I don't know where they're at, if I know where they're at and they're not inside our home, they're okay. But inside our home, they gotta go. But I have never seen a banana spider inside the house. So there's that one there. There's 3 right here in a bunch. And I really can't tell if they're showing up, but I hope so. I hope you can see all 3 of those there.
This one over here.
And he says,
She is big.
where's that? Oh, okay.
See her?
But I don't know if I can.
She's got legs 1.5 inches long.
I can't get the camera on her. Yeah, I think that's it right there. Amazing. Sorry for the shaking.
This one's
Here's the back side.
here. That one's eating.
Yeah. That one's having its evening meal. Just learned today how to tell the difference in them. So apparently the big ones are the female, smaller ones are the male.
Did you see that right there?
Yeah, that's when I put it in my hand and it's,
Oh.
look how little it is though.
Yeah.
So apparently that's a male. See the zipper?
Another one down there.
Oh, there is another
9.
one there. Boy, we have all kinds of them.
There's 9 of them.
That's good. Hey, thank you all for hanging out with us on our spider adventure and our catfish
Another one right
adventure.
there. 10.
He found another one. Where?
See it?
Nope.
Right there.
Oh, yep, sure do. Another one down there. I don't know if I can get the camera in on it. It's hard to, with the sun shining on me.
10 of them.
But there's the catfish eating up there. Mr. Grizzly. Y'all have a great day. Thank you. Tillettville Beauty, Johnny and Tammy.
Later.